Do you know that ad networks are the biggest scam when it comes to making money blogging? Yes, you heard me right. I'm not saying the networks are scam, but relying on the ad network is one of the biggest blogging scam that anyone out there will tell you. So a lot of people, when you start blogging, will tell you that you should just work on your blog, get enough traffic, and then monetize through either AdSense, Ezoic, or AdMarvin. Any of those ad networks are there. But the truth behind it is that the amount of money those ad networks pay you just a penny to what you make to their system. And then the next big question here is that how then do you make the full money instead of making it for that ad network? How then can you make it all to yourself without involving those ad networks? And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 realistic ways in which you can actually make money from your blog without using ads. Like, you don't even have to interfere with display ads to start making money from your blog. Because when it comes to making money with your blog, there are a lot of ways out there, but then not all of them are suitable for beginners to use. Mostly the most suitable one for beginners is the one every single blogger out there tell you, simply ad network. But then there are other ways that actually pays times 100 of what any ad network will pay you out there. Like, personally myself, I don't rely on ad network. At first, when I started off, I used to rely on ad network, and I'll end up at the end of the month with just some few pennies in my AdSense dashboard, paid to my bank account, and can't even fit all the fees that I need to pay for my hosting and the rest. But then it was really sad, so I had to look for other ways in which I can actually make money from blogging rather than relying on ad revenue. And I was able to find 3 other successful ways in which you can actually make money blogging, and those are the things I'm going to share with you in this video. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Press Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money blogging. This could be from business opportunities regarding to blogging, how to scale up your blog, and other business ideas in which you can make money, both digital and offline. So that already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me share with you these 3 key methods in which you can actually use to make money blogging without relying on ad revenue. So that already said, let's get straight into today's video. So the first way to actually make money from blogging without using ad revenue is simply through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is simply a market model whereby you promote products and then get paid a commission of it. So for example, some products pay you up to from 10% up to 50% or more, depending on the product you are promoting and where you are promoting it from. That's simply how affiliate marketing works. So when it comes to blogging, I see affiliate marketing as one of the easiest way to actually make money from blogging after ad network has been removed from the picture. Since we are not talking about ad network here, we are talking about affiliate here. Affiliate seems to be the next easiest, because in this way, all you simply do is to look for products that are trending in your industry. Look for products that are highly in demand, that people are actually researching about more and more in that particular industry you find yourself. And then you simply write about this product, try to create a very in-depth article about this product, and then place it on your website and promote it to the right audience. And trust me, you're going to make more money from this rather than relying on ad revenue. So when I started off blogging at first, I was just creating content randomly, just trying to get as much traffic as I want to make more money from ad revenue. But along the line, one thing I noticed was that the ad revenue wasn't actually up to what I expected, because I was expecting to make some decent amount of money from the huge traffic I was actually pulling to that particular website. But then along the line, I wasn't actually getting the results I need, because at the end of the day, I was ending up with some penny and some few coins that weren't up to even renewing my hosting, because 1 month's salary from my website should be able to pay every single software that I use, should be able to renew my hosting for the next 1 year and so on. But then the ad revenue wasn't really delivering at first. So one thing I did was trying to divert into affiliate marketing. And trust me, since I diverted into affiliate marketing, it has been one of the best experiences ever, because I get to make more money even whilst I'm asleep. Like, for example, if you go onto my website right now and look at my homepage, you realize that I promote up to 5 to 6 different products on the homepage alone. And all those products that I promote, they actually makes me more money, because most of them are reoccurring plan that I sign up for. So what I mean by reoccurring plan is that when you purchase any of those products today, I will be paid a certain percentage. Some pay me up to 40% of the total amount of money you use in paying for it. And then the following month, when you renew any of those products as well, I still get paid for the renewal. And that's how it goes. As long as you are using those softwares, you keep renewing it, I still get paid. I still keep getting paid regardless of when you sign up, whether it's been 5 years, it's been 10 years old. Since I signed up for the recurring payment system, it keeps paying me month in, month out, provided that the person is renewing that particular product. And this is one thing I love about affiliate marketing. That's why when you come to my website, I use more of affiliate banners when I'm creating my content. Like, I even promote services from Fiverr on my website when I'm creating content that has to do with them. And this is one thing you need to get used to as a blogger as well. Don't just focus more on waiting for ad revenue, where you can clearly make more money from affiliate marketing rather than just relying on ad revenue. So with making money with affiliate marketing as a blogger, you don't have to be an expert in affiliate marketing to actually make money. All you can simply do is on here on YouTube, you can search for videos on how you can write affiliate product reviews on your website and then promote them to the right audience and simply make more money from there. So that's simply by the first way in which you can make money from blogging without ad is through affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, some of the best affiliate banks you can use, regardless of where you are from, is simply Amazon Associates, AliExpress, Walmart, Digistore24, JVZoo, and then Commission Junction, and then ClickBank. But ClickBank doesn't operate globally, so that's one problem with ClickBank. It doesn't operate globally. So that's simply it about the first strategy here. Simply make more money, focus more on creating content that will give you affiliate revenue than looking for ad revenue that might not give you exactly what you need at the end of every single month. That might not even be enough to pay your web hosting bill, not to talk of your personal bill. So that is the first strategy here. Simply focus more on affiliate marketing than any other strategy to make money in blogging. So now let's move to the second one on our list. So the second tip here is simply creating and selling your own digital product. So what do I mean by creating and selling your own product? Like when it comes to blogging, it's not just about promoting other people's product. Mostly if you're someone who's not interested in promoting any other person's product due to trust issues or something, well, you can also create your own personal product, like the likes of Sarah Maria Blog, Adam Enfroy, Sophia Lee, who created a lot of digital courses that they sell. So for my own case, I did not create any online course, but I was able to come up with an ebook that contains every single thing about how I started my blogging and started making money from blogging, all those things. So if you need an ebook, you can go get it on my website. It costs just $5 or less from regardless of the country part you are, it's just $5. So you can go get the ebook. It will be down in the video description. So now getting back into the video, with making money from digital products, it seems to be way more easier, because in that way, anyone who comes to your website is likely to purchase it, mostly because the person have trust in you. So assuming you are in the finance niche and then you want to create a digital product, one of the best advice I'll give to you is to look at the content type that are actually giving you more traffic on your website, that are giving you the more engagement, that people spend more time on. Look at those topics and then try creating an ebook that covers more in-depth information that is fully filled with your real human experience regarding to that topic, and then sell it with that particular blog post. And trust me, you're going to make more money from that rather than relying on ad revenue, because in that way, people who comes are highly likely to buy it because they trust in your content, meaning anything you're offering to them, they are likely to buy it. So if you want to create ebook, one of the easiest way you can actually create your own ebook is simply try reading other books regarding to that topic. Go to libraries, get physical book, get digital book, do more research about that particular topic, so you can put more information there rather than the piece of information that is on your blog post. In this way, with an ebook, you can go deeper into it, and people, trust me, when people get an ebook that is really of high value, they are likely to share it on their social media platforms and other places as well. So when you want to create your ebook, here's one of the best advice I'll give to you. Do not use AI to fully write your ebook, because of recent I got an ebook, and when I was going through the book, I realized it was written with AI because I was not getting that human experience notice from it. Because when you are reading a book that is written for human, you should be able to identify that, okay, this person has written this book with his full experience, because when you bought the book, your main aim is to actually enjoy the experience the person has gotten there, so that you can also use that experience to bypass some one or two things in your own journey. But then when you use AI to create your full book, trust me, there will be 0% experience. So that's simply all I have for you. Simply use your own human experience. Use AI to help you brainstorm ideas, but use your own human experience to elaborate on those topics that was brainstormed with you by the AI as well. In this way, you can put out more value out there. And the second thing you can actually do here is to create online courses. So when I talk of online courses, this could be video courses or just animated courses where you explain topics into deeper with visuals and other things related. Like if you go on Udemy right now, there are a lot of courses on Udemy that cost as less as $100 up to thousands of dollars on Udemy. And trust me, those people are generating hundreds to thousands of sales from their courses as well. And that one makes them more money than affiliate revenue. That's why when you come over to my website, you hardly even see ads flying over everywhere, because I don't really focus more on ad revenue anyway. So I reduce the number of ad that displays on my website. So the third one here is simply offering services. So when it comes to offering services as a blogger, and if you are here to start your blog, then you are watching this video at the right time, because one of the best things I will tell you to do is to create a niche, like a blog around that particular field you find yourself. So if you're a programmer, a graphic designer like me, UI, UX designer, video editor or something, one of the best things you can do for yourself is simply make sure that the blog you are starting talks or about that particular topic in which you offer services. So if you're a graphic designer, I advise you create content more about graphic designing. That will give you more graphic design projects to work on rather than talking about every random topic out there. So this one big mistake I made when starting my blog at first, because when I started Perez Tech, I was more focused on talking about tech related topics that weren't even in any way relating to the services I offer, and my main aim was to make money through my services, let more people know about my services. So along the line, I wasn't making enough money from blogging, so I had to switch. And when I switched over, that was how I made my first $500 from blogging, was through offering services to people who need it. Like today now, I offer social media management services. That's why when you go on my website, I talk about social media management, talk about how to grow business through social media and other places. And then other topics is simply UI and UX design, website debugging, website design, and all those are things that I offer on my personal website and personal services that I personally offer to people out there. And this one even make more money than any other strategy out there, because not everyone who comes to your website is there to buy a product. Not everyone who comes to your website is interested in your course, but then there's a high probability that they might need your services to grow their blog. Mostly if you're someone who's in the business niche or finance niche, your services might be needed in one way or the other, and this way is how you get to make more money from blogging. That's why it's difficult to visit my website and then me not make money from it. So if I'm not making good money from ad revenue, there's a high chance I'm going to sell affiliate products. But if I'm not making money from affiliate products, you are not buying any of my product, then there's a high chance that you surely need my services to help grow your business as well. And this one thing you also need to utilize as a blogger. Try as much as possible to take advantage of every single method out there to make money from blogging, so that you can make good use of it and then make more money from blogging. Forget this idea of all ad network money out there. Trust me, ad network will pay more to people who get millions of traffic rather than you who get few thousands, because before they will get their percentage out of it, your money is already halfway gone. So the best way is simply offering services to people who need it. So when it talks about offering services, this is not only by working for these people. This could be also by giving a one-on-one life coaching session. Like I do life coaching, and this one also makes me other money as well. So if you want to learn more ways in which you can actually make money just by offering services or using your skills, offering life coaching services, then you can watch my other video linked down in the video description. In that video, you are going to learn more in which how I make money from blogging without using ad, no affiliate, no selling of courses, like just pure content and then pure offering of services out there. And this one actually makes me more money. And that was how I made my first $500 as a blogger. And you can also learn it in the video down in the description. So that's simply all about this video. So taking a general wrap of everything in this video, the first one is simply affiliate marketing. Second one is selling your own personal product. And finally, the third one is simply you offering services to people who need it in exchange of making money as a blogger. So your blog simply becomes a medium of you promoting your services. So hope you find this video helpful. For more videos like that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.